Ever pondered over the hurdles that electronic security consultants, designers, system integrators, and installation contractors face daily? The relentless juggle between raw site survey data, detailed design creation, and project management can turn any day into a whirlwind of chaos. The frequent miscommunications, the time-consuming processes, the escalating costs, changing requirements, or even loss of opportunities. It's quite the conundrum, isn't it? Enter OneSurvey App, your new ally in tackling these challenges head-on. Where your competitor's margin is your opportunity. OneSurvey App is more than just an application. It's an integrated cloud platform designed to turn the chaos into streamlined operations. It is your unfair advantage. Imagine converting raw site survey data into detailed designs with just a few taps. Picture a world where survey deployment and project management processes are not a labyrinth, but a smooth highway. No more paper floor plan, spreadsheet, and trying hard to take notes on the field missing critical information. That's the world OneSurvey App promises, but it doesn't stop there. OneSurvey App is a champion of real-time task management and collaboration. It bridges the gap between surveyors, designers, installers, and clients, turning a traditionally disjointed process into a harmonious symphony. The result? A significant reduction in costs and a marked improvement in communication. It's like a magic potion for enhancing productivity and profitability in the low-voltage and security system sectors. So why remain stuck in a world of chaos when a solution is just a tap away? Leverage OneSurvey in the field to showcase your professionalism, surpassing traditional methods with paper floor plans and notebooks. This advanced approach allows you to capture more details than ever before, streamlining the survey-to-proposal process with unmatched accuracy and efficiency. Embrace OneSurvey to gain a competitive edge, winning clients' trust, leaving competitors in the dust, and gaining clients' first impressions before the project even begins. Why let hurdles slow you down when you can leap over them with ease? OneSurvey App is not just an application, it's a revolution. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the transformation yourself. Try the OneSurvey App today for free and witness the shift from chaos to clarity, from confusion to confidence. Because in a world that's constantly changing, staying ahead of the curve isn't just an option, it's a necessity. And with OneSurvey App, you're not just staying ahead, you're leading the way. So take the leap, embrace the change, and offer more. The OneSurvey App offers significant cost savings of 50% to 80% compared to competitors, largely due to its development in the post-AI revolution era. This has resulted in lower development costs and enhanced quality. It provides additional modules such as a task engine and service ticket engine, allowing electronic security consultants, designers, system integrators, and installation contractors to offer more at a lower cost. They can extend site survey as a service, electronic security consulting as a service, maintenance and service offering, generating recurring revenues, enhancing value and efficiency in their services. OneSurvey is designed to be easy for an untrained user to use. Try the OneSurvey app today for free. Your future self will thank you.